morning, you guys. It is...
Not morning, it's afternoon again.
It's afternoon again.
We don't change much. It's been a while since you've seen us, but we don't change.
Yeah. We are on our way to get Ryan's mop cut, finally.
Look at this hair.
I can't see, the lighting's off. Anyways, his hair is very, very long. It hasn't been cut since before, it was like Thanksgiving, right? Like the day before Thanksgiving or something. So, it's been a while. It is January 7th today, a day before Ryan's birthday. It's almost Ryan's birthday tomorrow, and then the twins is on Friday. We have just Bubby with us, and he fell asleep. But we're getting a little Bubba day. Emma wanted to go to my mom's, and then so did Aubrey, of course. So I'm excited to just have Bubby and have a little date with him. But yeah, we're headed up to Seattle to see Brandon to get his haircut. And I'm gonna insert some footage of what happened on Saturday night to our house.
Boom! We have half a fence and a full trampoline. That's perfect. Perfect. Excited about that. There's still some fence over there from that section there. Surprisingly, the playground stayed intact. But yeah, that's a trampoline. That's a trampoline, folks.
Well, you guys, Ryan's hair is cut. Looks so good.
Can't tell, again, it's dark. But yes, it's a lot shorter.
Yeah, it looks really good. His friend did a really good job. And it was really small in there, so it's kind of awkward to vlog. And then we went and ate, and we didn't even, like, Ryan and I didn't talk. We just, like, pummeled the food in our mouth.
We were starved.
Yeah, we were hungry.
Starved.
And now we are red because we're sitting in traffic, so brake lights are just glowing up our faces. How fun is that?
I-5 is the best interstate they've ever made. Yeah,
and just Seattle is just so fun. That's the downfall of going to Seattle is traffic.
Just based upon the time we decided to leave, but
yeah,
we knew what we were getting ourselves into.
Yeah,
we knew.
Unfortunately, but the Bubs is now awake. He's on the phone though. Hi, say hi, Bubba.
Say hi, vlog.
Hi, Bob.
He's the cutest.
Oh, picking up the kids.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Aubrey.
You got a haircut.
I did.
Emma was asleep.
Oh, really?
On the side.
Look, there's your Bubba.
Kind of like different.
Aww. Do you like it though?
Does she need her coat on?
No, she's okay.
Emma. Hi.
Alright.
We missed you.
There you go.
You fell asleep?
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Good luck.
Bye.
I got a...
Roll Tide.
We're gonna need it.
I'm a Husky fan. Don't roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Bubba, did you miss Emma? Did you miss Aubrey? No, he didn't say no. He's just being cranky. Did you miss Bubba?
Yeah.
Good. And now we can finally go home.
It's so cold out.
It's not that bad. It's only 35 degrees.
Will it snow this year? You think
Doubtful.
It will? Yeah, I don't think it will.
Unless Washington will have like late winter sometimes. Like sometimes we would have like mid-February, sometimes even snow in March.
I hope not, for the sake of Aubrey's school. Because she's already going to be out late.
I know. At this point, she won't get out till July.
Yeah. But we're headed home. Yay! We are back home with our babies and we're so excited. Feels so good to be home.
My chin is red because I could do a flip over.
Yeah, Aubrey is seriously talented.
Flexible.
Good morning, guys. But it hurts
Wait, babe, come here.
so bad.
Oh,
This face.
Morning, guys.
This was us about 3 years ago. Just all of us. But you want to see Ryan's haircut in the day or in the actual
No light.
But
short on the sides.
the
Some on the top.
Okay, Ryan forgot his wedding ring today, and I know why he forgot it. Because he was getting a haircut, getting all hot, and walking around Seattle like, oh, I don't have a woman.
But I don't have any big power.
It felt weird all day without it, so I immediately came home and put it on. So, will you hush?
Okay, Bubba, I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, they haven't seen Emma. They haven't seen Emma. Come here, Emmy.
Emma! Emma! We didn't have your day!
Emmy was asleep.
Oh, okay. Bubba covered her up.
Oh, there's Emmy.
So,
Yeah, go ahead. Aubrey's gonna do a flip for you guys.
No, a trick. Bubba, come over here. Come here. Come here. Okay, go. No, Bubba, get. Oh, okay, okay. Alright, we're watching.
Isn't that crazy?
You're like a scorpion.
See, Emma's trying it now.
she's trying. She's trying.
Soon, Emma.
Soon, very, very soon, and then you could do
What you got, Bubs? It's not a bunny.
It's an elephant. Oh, gosh, okay. She just wants to sleep.
Feels good to be home with her family. We missed you.
Did we apologize that we haven't vlogged in a while?
Here.
What? We apologize that we haven't posted in a long time. We hope you guys have just been anticipating our comeback. This is the first vlog of the new year, babe. Happy New Year, everybody. Oh, jeez. But, yes, we just want to say Happy New Year. Right, Obs?
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Okay. Oh, wow. But yeah, Happy New Year. It's been crazy year so far.
Emma just said my birthday cake.
7 days into it, your birthday cake? Yes. The twins' birthday is on Friday.
Friday.
What?
Your elbow white.
My elbow is white? Yeah. My whole body is white. Anyways. Yeah. We're gonna probably start to get the twins ready for bed and Obs because she's got school tomorrow.
But I want to eat the present.
Do what? Do what? Alright.
Maybe.
Yeah. We're gonna go get them ready and then we'll update you. Alright, so it is time to put the kids, the twins, to bed. Bubba. He's getting in his top bunk. Come on.
We are getting a big guy.
We're getting into bed. Emma's in bed. Can you say goodnight, guys? Yeah, that's the type of mood she's in right now.
Yeah.
She's not very happy, but it's okay. It's okay. Come on, Bubs. Get up there. Go. All right. Good night, Emma. Love you. Kiss. Mwah. Okay. He's still not. Go lay down. Please. Thank you. No. Over here. Over here. Over here. What? What? What's wrong? There we go. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Okay.
Daddy, look up.
Huh?
Look up.
What?
Look up.
Here. Oh, cover you up. I totally get what you're saying. Okay. Good night. Kiss. Mwah. Okay. Good night. Huh? Gotta make sure cellulight's on. Always make sure cellulight's on, right? Alright.
Mommy hug.
You already gave mommy a hug and kiss. You did. You did. You did. You did. You did. Oh, well. Okay. Okay, guys. Good night. Good night. They refused to go to bed unless mommy gave them hugs and kisses. Which they already did, but they need more.
No more.
Oh, I guess that's Bubba's limit. What are you doing?
Oh, I love him.
Alright. Good night. Love you.
Good night,
Mwah.
Ma.
Okay. Night night.
Night.
Night night.
Okay, you guys, I'm sorry that this vlog was kind of if you don't pick up the camera for a while, it's hard to like get back into it, so it'll get better, I promise. But stay tuned because Ryan's birthday is tomorrow, and hopefully I can do something for him. I haven't even planned anything yet. I have some things in my head, but I'm gonna drop Aubrey off at school, then go get some things to make breakfast, and yeah, just spoil him all day. And I'm so happy that he's off tomorrow so we can spend time together. But thank you guys so much for watching and being here. We love you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.